Hello, I'm Jyoti Sharma and you're watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with the latest updates. MC Dominic, founder and editor-in-chief of Krishi Jagran and Agriculture World, has always been taking new initiative to promote the agriculture sector in the country. Earlier, he had bought Farmer First, and after that, he had bought Farmer the Brand program, in which farmers were given a chance to promote their brand. Now, MC Dominic has launched the Farmer the Journalist Rural India Journalist program, under which the farmers will be able to provide a platform to send the news of agriculture. So on this initiative, farmers can win attractive prizes and certificates by sending news and videos related to agriculture in their own language. On this occasion, Federation of All India Farmers Association (FIFA) President Javre Godwa said,
"Our agriculture crop should be in a position to export to various countries, for which we need a proper agricultural journalism, proper technical information, digital information. So this is a new innovative to communicate to the farmers, particularly in the rural India."
Dr. Shivendra Bajaj, Executive Director, Federation of Seed Industry of India, FSII and Alliance for Agri Innovation AAI said.
कृषि जागरण को और कृषि जागरण के परिवार को सबको बधाई देता हूं जो उन्होंने ये चैनल लॉन्च किया है, फार्मर द जर्नलिस्ट। ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। ऑनलाइन पोर्टल है, आजकल का डिजिटल एज है, तो कृषि के पीछे रहे तो किसानों के लिए बहुत ही फायदेमंद होगा ये।
Valid Biosciences LLC and Kansas State University, Manhattan, Kansas announced a formal long-term agreement to advance critical research in the areas of soil health and carbon-smart farming. Dr. Warren Safir, Vice President Global R&D and Regulatory Affairs at Valent Biosciences said, "This collaboration with Kansas State University marked the next important and exciting step in our commitment to soil health in agriculture." Inari, the seed design company, has welcomed Dr. Raina Khalaf to its leadership team as its first Chief Information and Data Officer. Ponsi Trivenisavet, Chief Executive Officer of Inari, said, "Our team has built a lot of momentum in this area over the past 5 years. So Raina's experience in building digital platforms will accelerate our product development." The Wells Fargo Innovation Incubator, a technology incubator and platform funded by the Wells Fargo Foundation and co-administrated by the U.S. Department of Energy's National Renewable Energy Laboratory (NREL), announced a partnership with Farmers Business Network, a technology-enabled direct-to-farm commerce, community and sustainability platform helping farmers' families maximize their farm's profit potential. Realizing the problem of hunger, ASSOCHAM is organizing a webinar on biofortification, a path to sustainable nutrition on October 1st, 2021, 2 p.m. onward in association with the Harvest Plus and Gain. The session will focus on the significance of biofortification in fighting hidden hunger, creating awareness about biofortified crops currently available, understanding the relationship between biofortification and other methods of food enrichment, and understanding the agriculture benefits of biofortified crops. Rani Lakshmi Bai Central Agricultural University Jhansi and Indian Grassland and Fodder Research Institute Jhansi is going to organize a webinar on Nano Size Big Impact Nano Revolution for Transforming Agriculture, Food, Nutrition and Health on 4th to 5th September 2021. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.